Ugh.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is what we dealt with last night. It got pretty windy, so
Yeah,
it was going like full on Iceland on us here.
we're kind of at the top of a hill in
Yeah.
a grassland.
Yeah, so no cover at all. It started raining when we didn't have the cover on because we were looking at the stars. Let's see what we got here. Let's eat some breakfast after we show our little spot we're at. Oh gosh. This is where we slept last night. Literally straight up middle of the grassland. Did you?
Not what I remember looking.
No, you could not see any of this last night. I literally thought, yeah, literally last night this looked like it just kept like basically just going on like this, like it didn't go down into a valley or anything. We could have went down the hill and it wouldn't have been windy at all. Yeah, so let's eat some breakfast. All right, camping day one is over. We gotta take down this tent. We couldn't do the put up last night, obviously, because it was the middle of the night. Let's go. All right. We're gonna head to Theodore Roosevelt National Park. We were there a little bit last night, but now we're going into the thick of it. So let's boogie. Theodore Roosevelt National Park, we made it. But the first stop, of course, Prairie Dogs. You can't see them, there's one over there. Let's try to check them out. Oh, I got Crocs on, by the way.
Oh, we're scaring them.
Hey, dude, chill. You guys probably can't see it at all on the GoPro, but they're here.
Yeah, this guy right there.
Oh, look.
Flapping his tail.
Look at him. Zip, zip, zip. Oh, look at that one right there. I want to go play with him. I want to go play with him.
Give him cornbread.
Yes, give him peanut butter toast.
Yeah.
Give him muffin.
Oh no, he's running.
Oh,
Oh yeah, there's holes right here. Oh,
Trail number one, trail number one. All right, first trail we're doing in Theodore. It's like real Wild West looking out here.
yeah.
I feel like we're like in West.
Yeah, boy.
We're in Westworld right now.
Hey.
Dolores. Does this not look like Cowboyville? Buffalo. Oh, what the heck? You walk across it?
Oh shoot.
Interesting. Okay.
Oh, was not expecting that.
No, I was expecting like a little bridge or
I guess
something.
that's probably the difficulty on the trail.
Yeah, yes. Okay.
What if all of a sudden the rapids just kick out? And we go,
There's a flash flood.
I'm gonna say about my hammerhead shark costume.
Oh, this would have been the perfect place. Here we go. This is a new experience. I mean, we did this in Iceland, I guess.
I guess don't put our socks back on after.
This area makes me want to do a shootout.
They have towels.
Maybe we should do a shootout. Let's step right in, right here.
Oh.
Does that feel weird? Oh, so slimy. Oh, wow, it is cold. Oh, yeah. Relaxing. It's a mud bath. Let's go lay in that sandbar over there. Isaac? I think I stepped in something.
Is it quicksand?
I think so, look. Whoa! Oh, this isn't deep at all. Wait. Look! Help!
Oh
Help!
my god, you're just sloshing stuff everywhere. Oh, what? Good noise.
We should use that for audio for our videos.
Here.
That's great. try to record our river crossing. Oh, am I gonna get to my shorts? Look, I got some high knees or what? Ooh, that's chilly. Watch out for the North Dakota water snakes. Alright, how are we gonna do this? Don't want our feet to be just muddy.
Pop her down.
And put your shoe on and wash the other one? Oh, you're gonna wash it like that. Okay.
Oh yeah. The shoe on probably would work better.
Okay, here we go.
Just let this one dry out.
Yes.
Those guys have water shoes.
So now we're gonna dry, everybody. We'll be back. Hello, everybody.
Yo!
We've hiked like a mile out into through that stuff over there.
Yeah, it was pretty, but we were down there.
Yeah, it was pretty strenuous. It was pretty up and down. Now look, we got some prairie buddies. Oh, they're so cute. Look at over here. We have like 100, like probably 300 of them.
Does our trail go down there?
It looks like it.
Sorry about the wind. It's very windy.
Oh geez, this is nutty. There's so many. Hopefully they don't charge us.
Yeah, we probably die. Dude, let's die, dude.
Let's die today, dude. All right, we're in Buffaloville. We just got mad. We are just the path, this straight path. It just brought us right to like 200 buffalo easily. We got a cute guy right here, little baby. These two over here kind of squared up to us.
Oh my gosh, there's so many. I'll only go 3 times. But...
All right, let's get up to the curve. We got this.
You guys just watching us.
Please don't do anything stupid.
Yeah, there's no way we get through that trail.
They're literally laid on it. This is epic.
Oh yeah.
Very close. That one's milking. Hey.
Look at that, that's just buffalo.
That one's looking at him again. The big mama. Do you like? We're testing a theory that if we turn our back, it'll charge us. I don't know if it's working because I can't see. Oh God!
Don't dig in. What's he doing?
He's digging a kill hole. That's where he's gonna bury us once he murders us. Oh gosh, it's so loud. It like travels in the wind. That sounded so close. Look at that one's like, come on, walk up the trail, buddy. I'm just waiting for you. Guys, the rule for wildlife in Theodore Roosevelt National Park is 25 yards away. So you test that with your thumb.
Yeah, you go. Oh, you full extend your thumb, and if it covers it, then you get your thumbs up.
Yeah, tell that buffalo who's boss.
So if it charges, I can't really see him.
Stay back! We have 25-yard distance!
I can see them now. We've gotten a lot closer.
That mofo's gonna sneak up behind us. He's just playing in the dirt and we're scared of these guys?
Yeah.
We're scared of these guys?
I'm not scared.
Do it.
I'm kind of scared.
This one's pursuing the one up there, but she's not into it.
Yeah. She friend zoned him. Friend
zoned big time. He's like, come on. I'm a really nice guy. Yeah, but these guys are pansies. They're not going to attack us.
Puff, daddy puff, puff, daddy 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 puff, daddy puff, puff.